what we're asking to do is w equals -1 minus 2i. And they're asking us to find the unit vector u. So just remember, the formula for the unit vector is basically, for any vector, it's going to be w over its magnitude. OK? Now, I prefer to find the vector. I just like to write it in component form. You could leave it in this format. But if we're going to write this in component form, it would be -1 comma -2. And I just like that, writing in component form, because when I have it in that format, it's very easy for me to find the magnitude. So the magnitude of w is going to equal to w1 squared plus w2 squared. Right? W2, so that's correct. So it's really first component squared plus second component squared, which, again, I will remind you, is the same thing as like the Pythagorean theorem, right? That's what's so nice about it. So I have -1 squared plus -2 squared. 1 squared is 1, plus 2 squared is 4. So I'm left with the square root of 5. Square root of 5. Now, last class period, I showed you how you could rewrite that as a multiplication of a fraction. I'm just going to show you here, guys. This basically can divide into both of those. So therefore, my final answer would be -1 over the square root of 5, comma, -2 over the square root of 5. OK? And again, if you are unsure if you did it correctly,